Welcome back to the channel. On today's video, we're going to see if we could fit 37s on the Carli 2.5-inch leveling kit. So Carli on the 2.5 kit calls for a 0 offset and no wider than 12.5 tire. You cannot do the 13.5 if you're trying to squeeze 37. They do recommend 35s for this kit because you're going to get really close to here. So they say you can squeeze it in, but you do have to do some major trimming. I'm okay with that. I'm okay to take up the inner wheel well pretty high, and they do say you may have to pin or cut the pinch weld there, and I'm willing to do that just to get a little more clearance. My buddy Kyle, he has a new Dodge. He did the Carli kit on a 3.5-inch kit, and he squeezed 37s in there, and it looks pretty awesome. So it's just been bugging me, so I gotta go up to 37. So let's see if we can make it work. I did reach out online to see if it is possible, and I know I've seen some guys do it. SSD MOTORSPORTS did reply and said they can make it happen. So we're gonna head down to Bakersfield and get some new tires installed. I'm currently running the 35-inch Toyo MTs. I think 37s are only going to be possible because I'm running the Carli radius arms that are stronger, better ride quality, offer more articulation, and also give you better tire clearance over the factory radius arm. And we are here. SSD Motorsports is known for doing crazy suspension, wheel and tire packages, and all your bolt-on accessories. Here's some of their builds. Customers build and their shop truck. Their shop truck's pretty awesome. Let's get some closer look on this thing. Running it back, let's see how it goes. You know it's a good shop when they got off-road racing on. All right, they got the truck pulled in. Time to get started. Here's Frank, got me hooked up with these. We're gonna see if we can squeeze these on here. What do you think, Frank? Is it gonna work?
Oh, it's gonna work.
Yeah.
Definitely.
Man, shop guys got some cool rides. Look at this one. Nice build. Toyo RT Pros. Nice tire. Boy, these guys knocked it out. I don't think I've been here 30 minutes and tires are on. Nice job, guys. Yep, it's tight. We can go ahead and start cutting. We're gonna probably take the inner wheel well up that high. Maybe have to knock that pinch well down. Let's get to cutting. Daniel's getting the back trimmed up. I think the front shouldn't have any issues, but we'll cycle it and see what it looks like. Pretty close, got it knocked up, very nice. We may have to make a final adjustment down the road. We may run that for now. Gonna knock the corner pinch welds off, and that will be about it. It may touch a little bit in and out of driveways, but if I have to bang it in a little bit, we'll bang it in. Done. Looks great. I'm gonna give it a little test drive, see how it cycles. You know, if you guys are ever out in this area, stop by SSD, show them some love. Even if you're not in the area, just like myself, I decided to take a little drive. They reached out and were supportive to me. You got to be supportive back. Off-road community's tight. Let's keep it tight. Take care of the guys who take care of you. All right, guys, get down here and talk to these guys. I appreciate it, Frank. Thanks for the help. I'm getting it knocked out. Drew,
thank you.
We'll catch you down the road. Let's hit the road, guys. On my way out, check out that Sheriff Bronco. So cool. I just want to hop back on here. I am home. I just want to say the truck drove amazing with the 37's and the Carli Suspension. Thanks to the guys at SSD and my swag. I'm already sporting it. And I just want to say thank you to all my viewers and subscribers coming along with me on this journey. I do want to see where it's going to take me. And for my next video coming out, I just want to say it is going to be more with my truck. And I'm going to show you what's inside the truck camper and how I want to be camping on my camping trips when I'm towing the Jeep around. And just at nice camp spots where I just want to call it a night and see the great outdoors. So see you guys on the next one.